Assalamu alaikum viewer. Hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to Teach Hammer. Today we are going to walk you through the process of downloading and installing Nitro Pro. Whether you are new to Nitro Pro or just need a quick refresher, this video will guide you throughout the steps. Now turn on your PC and open any kind of web browser. In this case I am using Google Chrome. Open the search bar and search Nitro Pro. Make sure you download Nitro Pro from this official website. This is the official website. This is called gonitro.com. Simply click Get Started Free. It will take a loading and start a new page. Now click to download free trial. This interface will appear here. This is a form. You have to fill it and click to submit. By clicking submit, you can get a new page where you can download the Nitro Pro. Now just click to download. You can see that the downloading was started. This was 2 or 3 megabytes. After the download is complete, locate the installer file. You can usually find it on your computer download folder. Now double click on it on the installer file to run it. Now click to install to initiate the installation process. It might take a few minutes. It will ask hard drive permission. You have to click yes. Now connect your PC to the internet and it will download some file from the internet. It will take some time. It will depend on your internet connection. After the downloading process is finished, the installing process will start automatically. It might take a few minutes as the installer copies file and install Nitro Pro. After installing the file, it will launch automatically. You can launch Nitro by clicking Launch Nitro. You can see that it was starting. Now edit your PDF. It will make your work easier. Actually, way easier what you can't imagine. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials and leave your questions or feedback in the comment below. We will see you in the next video.